Hello everyone, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel, and today how to replace the front indicator bulbs on your Vespa GTS. Now all you're going to need for this today is your crosshead screwdriver and your new bulbs. Right, let's get cracking. Now this should be the same procedure for all Vespa GTS models, and before we get started there's a link above now about the battery location and how to check the battery on your Vespa GTS. So one of the bulbs I'm going to replace is going to be on this side, and it should be exactly the same procedure if you want to change the bulbs on the other side. Right, so let's just put the indicator bulbs on. So just flick the switch over. On the dashboard you get the indicator flashing. And on the front here we've actually got two bulbs, one at the top and one at the bottom. I don't know if that's a safety feature, just in case one of them blows. So take your crosshead screwdriver and then unscrew it anti-clockwise. And put the screw somewhere where you're not going to lose it. Just put it on the footwell there. And it's very easy to remove. You just use your hand, don't need to prise it out with a screwdriver or anything. And there we go, there are the two bulbs there. And there's a link above now about the fuse box location and how to check the fuses on your Vespa GTS. Okay, to remove one of the bulbs, grab hold of the rubber there and just keep wiggling it about and pulling it out towards you. It's not a screw or a thread or anything. And there we go. And to remove the actual bulb, you just pull the bulb out. Again, this isn't on a screw thread or anything, it literally just pulls out. And there we go. Now I'll just show you what the bulb is. It's a 12 volt 5 watt and it is an orange bulb. So make sure you get an orange bulb when you buy your replacement. You don't want a clear bulb. And that's where it slots in there, so it's very simple. So take your new bulb, make sure it's exactly the same and it's an orange glass bulb. And to put it in is a very simple procedure, just push it in very gently. There's a link above now about the recommended tyre pressures on your Vespa GTS. Okay, so the bulb is in there now. And to put it back into the housing, just keep pushing it and wiggling it about until it goes all the way home. Make sure it's right up against as far as it can go. And there we go. Now to put the bulb housing back in, there's a small little divot at the top. Make sure that that goes underneath the frame there at the front. So just push that in and under and it just slides up. It's very important that that tucks up underneath there. Once that's tucked up underneath, it should just line up with the screw thread and then you can just get that screw back in. And there's a link above now about how to put your Vespa on the centre stand. As with any screws, just put it in with your hand first, just so you don't cross thread it. Once you're happy that it's taken the thread, then you can get your crosshead screwdriver and just tighten it up. Don't over tighten it though, it doesn't need to be super tight. Okay, that's all done, so let's just turn that indicator on just to make sure it's all working. Superb. Now it's time for a lovely cup of tea. Oh. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. And if you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.